Hi everyone, it's Jenny Garcia and this is the Tombow VIP box for January 2020. So it's the first one. I haven't opened it, so let's see what's in here. Let me show real quick. That's all I'm going to share for now. Okay, so first you have the informational sheet, which has the prices and the products in each box. Each box is $30, and that's only for United States and Canada. Sorry. And also we have a card for Sharing Art Matters, and it's a new project that Tombow has where you create an art or a craft and you leave it public for others to find it. You can also find this informational sheet on the website that you can download and print and leave next to your little project. I already did mine and I'm really excited. I'm kind of hoping that that's just other things that don't have to do with the box, but I was really hoping that someone that was social media savvy would share it so I could see the, in the hashtag and the reaction, but I don't know if it has been found. I left it on the library, so let's see. Hopefully someone shares it. Okay, so that's more like informational sheet. Okay, what the heck is this? This is no idea what this is. Ooh, these are playing cards. They're so cute. Cheers to 2020. Okay, I have to open this and let me close this so you can't peek. But well, I like the case too. If I don't break it. Oh, it has like a little. Yeah, because I was gonna jab my scissors on it and. But I like that. Look, with the ABT Pro and the Tombow Dual Brush Pen. And, oh, these are cool. And they have artwork. This one was by Grace. I have like 5 jean jackets. So this is going to be the spade. Oh, this one's by Katie. This one's one of my favorite ones. And this is going to be the hearts. It's all the same. This one is by Jessica. And it's going to be the clover. And this one is by Adrian, and it's the flowers. It's really cool. And the Joker, which is, again, the ABT, and they're also all the same in the back. I'm going to put them back in the case before my children find it and ruin it. And this is really fun. This is all the Tombow Mono drawing pens in the 6 sizes that Tombow has. And I love these. So my favorites are the 1 and the 2. I just like really small sizes, but I do love the bigger sizes too, especially the 8. I don't know. They write like butter. I really love these. And I could do a little swatch of those. Let me see. This is the final product, and it's a new one. It's a new set of Tombow Dual Brush Pens, and this one is called Celebration. And I love the little illustration in there. It looks kind of old-fashioned-y, magazine sort of thing. Really like these colors. They're really pretty. And I have a notebook that I'm going to swatch, but first let me show you the things in this box. So it has 3 products. The first ones are the Mono drawing pens in 6 sizes. And 3 of them are new. That's true. The 2, 4, and 8 are new, and the retail price for that is $16.99. Then there are the Tombow playing cards, which is $12.99. and the dual brush pens for $26.99. And also has a little bit more of information on sharing art matters, and you can look for the hashtag on Instagram. So yeah, it's $30. So you technically pay for the dual brush pens and get the other two things almost for free. So I'm gonna swatch them right now in my Archer and Olive journal. I'm gonna do the math of the total retail price and like put it somewhere in here. Okay, so let's start with the monojoin pens. I'm gonna start with the 01. I'm gonna go a little bit closer. Okay. I'm just gonna write mono. I'm not gonna write a long thing because I want to swatch them all, but at the same time, I don't want to make a video that is too long. And I am obsessed with join flowers next to Adrian, so these are going to be perfect for that. And if you haven't seen her tutorials, make sure you go to the Tombow blog and look for flowers or Adrian on the search bar. You can see, actually, if you put flower tutorials, you can find quite a few tutorials in there because it's really funny. I've drawn flowers. It's not my thing, but I've done it. And Jessica has a few flowers. Adrian has some. Smitha. I think Katie probably has some too, since she loves to make art. And if you do any kind of journaling or even planner spreads, these are so good for that. Although my favorites for planners would always be the twin tones. Okay, so you can see a little bit. Actually, you can see a lot from the 1 to the 8th. So yeah, love these. And I share a photo on my Instagram stories a few days ago, sharing all my pens because I keep shoving them in my desk drawer. So I need to like clean up. Oh, I broke this. Good job, Jenny. But in my defense, it took me years to break one, so. Okay, so this is 925. I'm going to write the number 925. And of course, you can use these for lettering and watercoloring art. You can do backgrounds for lettering with these. This one is 743. And this, I see the celebration theme. It kind of looks like sprinkles. And this one is 451. I added an unnecessary dot in there, but you get the point. So make sure you get this box as soon as you can because they tend to sell out really quick. This one is 0.26. Or if you want to be on the lookout for the next box, you can join the mailing list and you will receive an email before actually you have to like sign up for the emails for the box. This one is $8.50. So you get like an email before everyone, and you can get your box. So, and it's also a really good Valentine's Day present. You can give this to someone with a nice planner or sketchbook or whatever kind of craft they like to do. $7.23. Like if you like lettering, I would pair it with marker paper, either from Canson or Strathmore. They're both really good, and Strathmore has a mixed media pad that is really soft, perfect for lettering. And I'm gonna have a few links below, including the one for the box, $8.85. They're affiliate links. You don't get charged extra, I just get a little commission for sharing this awesome deal with you. And the Celebration dual brush pen set will be available eventually, but it's not going to be like, going to either take a month or two or something like that. So, and you also get extra things. So you would have to, this one's $2.45. I love this leafy green. It's not named leafy green. I am terrible with names of people and markers, so. And this one's gonna be $4.52. You can use them as highlighters too. Tombow has highlighters and they're amazing, but a lot of people I see in their task journals, they use these as highlighters. So 055, one of my favorites. 055. And this one is a pretty good pack. It has your primary colors. You have this really basic must-have 055. Then you have a red, you have two blues, and you can kind of count the pinks, especially this one as a reddish. Like if you mix the 743 with the 055, you're going to get an orange, which you also have an orange and a green. You would be missing a purple, but if you mix 723 and 452, you could get a purple, so you have your primary colors and part of your secondary colors. Then you get a darker neutral one that you can use to darken the orange or the pink and red and even the yellow and the green actually too. So I hope you liked this video. This box was really good. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna get it, and if you are gonna get it, which product are you looking for the most. Make sure you click the links below, and don't miss any of the future boxes. Make sure you sign up for the emails. Have an awesome day. Bye.